This is the proper way to mix EcoColors hair color. Prepare by placing gloves on your hands. Mix equal parts color to developer and gently mix by putting your gloved finger over the tip of the bottle and tilting the bottle back and forth. Apply this mixture to greys only, or to hair that has never been colored. Apply the plastic cap and process for 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the results of your strand test. During the last 5 to 10 minutes of your processing time, add filtered water to your remaining color and developer mixture in the application bottle, and gently mix by placing your gloved fingertip over the tip of the bottle and tilting the bottle back and forth. Apply the diluted hair color and developer mixture to the ends of your hair, only if you would like to add color to faded or previously colored ends. This diluted application on the ends should process no more than 10 minutes and no less than 5 minutes, depending on the porosity of your hair. Rinse your hair after the processing time. Apply shampoo thoroughly to your entire scalp and ends. Rinse the shampoo thoroughly and apply the appropriate conditioner to your ends. Rinse the conditioner thoroughly, gently towel dry your hair, then apply your favorite styling products. Allow your hair to air dry or blow dry your hair. Wow, what beautiful color and shine!